Association points. The 12 ones that go to different organs are along here. So the first one we're going to find, and I think we have the chart in there, is that right? I believe so. So you guys can tell me which ones I'm finding. So if I find a tender spot along here, right there's a little bit, and that one's more. So we're right there on the sacrum, so I believe that's small intestines.
Yep.
So I'm going to hold north energy, right hand, north energy, on that spot as I spray a little release, which is another just homeopathic that helps to move energy. I call it liquid acupuncture because it continues to work the point. There you go. I know. Good girl. Good girl. And you can also use release diagnostically. So if it foams up, it's been there for a long time. If it doesn't, it's more of a short-term thing. I'm just holding this, working this point until I get this to relax. Not feel tight. And I'm not so concerned about an association point that comes up here. If it comes back tomorrow, and comes back tomorrow, then we're gonna have to dig a little deeper. We're gonna have to find out, is it the small intestines? Is it something along the meridian? Any of those things happen.
Did you say relax, you use diagnostic or release?
Release you use diagnostically. Release is amazing. I have a welder that he welds for 8 hours a day. And I gave him some release and I said, yeah, you can put this in your eyes. It doesn't say for that, but I put it in my eyes and it feels very soothing. And he buys about a bottle a month and he just says it's about 10 sprays of release in my eyes or a half case of beer to get rid of the blue dot from welding all day. He just got that iris burn. This is pretty easy. So I'm gonna grab her leg, I'm grabbing by the forearm here, I set it on my hip and I'm just gonna come up and over. And as soon as she pushes down on me, I give her release. And you can see this muscle bulge right here. That means she's going to have a little bit shorter stride. So she's got that. There we go, baby. Now she's letting me come all the way over. She went in really easy. So then I come down here. I don't want her to slap this to the ground. I just bring it down and let them relax. And usually they just kind of go, ah. Even people, when you put in their ribs, they can start carrying their backpacks better. This muscle right here, the bone. So I'm going to come down into the groove. I'm going to push up. That's it. So there's a muscle up. And then I'm going to get her to reach forward. Come on, baby. There you go, mama. And we want straightness. There we go. Good. So this is the key with that one, to get him in off the forehand and get him into that self-carry. They're reaching around you for the bit. So you got to make sure you get out of the way. So she can go.
You're good? Okay.